Greetings to everybody again that is on our Instagram live, that is on our Facebook live, that is also on the TGM Radio UK app. This is the Open Live Show. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and check out their weekly event. We have a special person in the studio this evening, all the way from Jamaica. You know, not too far, a couple hours, jump on a plane. Not too far. Kaka Highflames is in studio this evening. Bro, big up yourself and welcome. You have to talk up in the fire phone, my
That
general.
is it.
Yes. So the people them can hear you. How are you?
Alright, good now?
Yes, we're
Alright,
good.
that is it.
Talk to us. How are you?
Well, we're good, you know.
You're
Other
good?
from the cold, but you know.
Welcome to the UK. Welcome to London, England.
Yeah.
This is what the weather is like at this point. This
Realize.
time of the year. It's kind of chilly. It's kind of rain. It kind of depressing, though.
Not really, but
Oh, you don't live here, so it's not depressing to you. So talk to us about Kaka Highflames and the reason why you are here.
well, Kaka Highflames is a dancer / artist.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes.
So Kaka Highflames started dancing at a tender age, but we decided say I'm gonna take it further when I was about 16, in high school. But my first viral video got me out there. That's in about last 2 years, 2022.
Yeah, last 2 years.
Yeah, 2022. You see me? So me and Brandon decide say, yo, we're gonna take on this app posting him TikTok, but whenever they really have seen a Jamaican challenge on TikTok to that other from I think the QQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was dancing. You see me?
Yeah,
so
yeah,
we
yeah.
decide say, yo, we're gonna find one song and turn it in our app. And so said so done.
And what song was that for people who don't know the
Well,
originating
it was
factor?
Ambala, squash Ambala.
And so
that was the first challenge.
So the viral dance that we know, you're the originators of that
Yeah.
dance. So the high flame. The
dance challenge.
Yeah, the dance challenge.
Yeah.
Cool. You're the originating dance choreographer of that. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
And then from there.
So hold on.
Sorry,
when we're
go
talking
ahead.
about Ambala and the dancing challenge, just remind us what year was this and where was he at that year? Was he still in school or did he left school at that
I was
point?
still in school.
You're still in
Yeah, I
school.
was still
Okay,
in
so
school.
that's like 2.5 years ago, almost 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, how old are you now? You don't want to
Yeah.
tell people that how old are you now?
I'm 18. I'm 18 years
So
of
you're
age.
just done
Big
real
man.
adult now.
When
Just
the man,
legal.
When the man said 10, they think he must say I'm 22 though.
Yeah. Young you see. So have you finished school? So you
Well, yeah, I graduated.
You graduated. What school you used to go?
Kingston College.
Kingston College.
Purple,
KC.
right.
Yeah, you know.
Not
Best
straight.
school in Jamaica, you know that.
Me not know about that still.
Yeah, the best,
boy.
but
Some will differ to say. But what made the transition? Because you remember people who know you for dancing and then realize you start the songs.
yeah.
Why did you change from the dancing?
Well, because, you know, we have to dance the song and listening to the song them in Jamaica, some of the song them I get slack and or barely I get dancing song to that for dance to. So if we even a dance, we a dance to the gun song them and the chopping song them, and you know that not really carry we as dancer certain level. You see me? So I decide say, alright, I'm gonna start write my own song them for my own dance move them.
What was the first song you write?
It was called Slingshot.
Sling.
Is it? But my first hit song was, I think, was Flames Rock. You see me? That was the first song that my sister go viral on TikTok and all of the rest of platform them. So
Right.
say yo.
So this
So hold on. Do you think your dancing and your TikTok strategy of promoting the song, did you think that helped to
Ye-
Flames Rock to make Flames Rock be
helped-
what it is?
Yeah, definitely, 100%.
How did it help?
Well, everybody wanted a new challenge. You see me? Everybody
Yeah.
dey on Kaka when we are get the new challenge, them a expect me for come out with a next song where you know an artist that well known
Right.
come out with. Then them just hear this song, but them don't know who sing it.
Right.
You see me? Some starter. Basically, I start I dance to it every day, but I not tell them say I me sing it yet, you know.
Right.
Until one day I decide say yo, I'm gonna do one video in the studio with a boat.
Yeah.
Say yo, and me write the song and think everybody me see it get more than a regular dancing video them. So me I say alright,
It can
people
work.
them, yeah, and the
Yeah.
people them love it.
Yeah.
So we just continue.
Cool, na, man.
So the name Kaka Highflames, where that name come from? Because it's like
You want us to-
feel like your era where you forward into dancehall is kind of a
Is that weird?
Weird
it's a weird name.
Yeah.
Well, I used to play football.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay, so
get the
Ricardo
name.
Kaka.
Yeah, I got the name from.
Okay.
I did have a
Because
jersey.
That did not beat me.
Yeah, I did have a jersey. with have a jersey with the number
I-
8, Real Madrid.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my coach normally never did know my name at first. I'm going to training, so just call me the name for my shirt. Back
So
you see me?
did you used to play Manning Cup?
No, I never play Manning Cup. I play Coles.
Or you never get no game? You
Them bench
No,
you.
I never get to play Manning Cup because wait,
Yes,
wait.
yes.
Because I started to dance.
Ah.
And you know the coach has said me have to go balance it, and you know I'm not gonna show what
Yeah,
people know
yeah.
me for.
And what
Yeah.
you love as well.
Exactly. But
Yeah.
love the both of them still, you know, but
So with the dance moves, you turn into an artist. How has your move to fame? How have you been balancing that? Because remember, you know, people know you on TikTok just for create the dance them. Remember, you're an artist now in a general. How do you manage that as a young youth?
well, it hard sometimes because you know, me not really get to do everything as a young youth. Certain things we have to stop from a tender age. You know, like
What
yeah,
when
got-
you said
Man, I
wait
said
wait
tender age. Man, I said tender
when you
age.
say tender age, what explain to us what you mean by tender age? Because when you
what
say
me by
tender age, I mean
now remember say
3
me a
or
big man now, you know,
4.
so.
No, but
Not really.
when they say 10 days, you get so like say.
You know, it's my first one all I know.
So when man say, yeah, you're thinking, oh, let me man.
Yeah. So you say you had to stop certain things. What did you have to stop?
Alright, so you know, like, so at a little ironess, like, where, you know, a teenager that do like a run up and down and go in at the mall and with them friend and them thing.
fuck
You know,
with
if me
Yeah.
do that, make a cause problem at the people in place.
Okay.
Because, you know, when the fans
feel-
them a come
the
and
feel-
I'm
the
going to
feel.
do 15 TikTok video that, and, isn't me?
Yeah.
So, we really have to stop certain things, you know, a little vibe them with my friend them.
Yeah.
I have to start, I have to
You don't feel
start.
like you lose out. You lose out the part.
Sometime, but me I do the work I love still, so I feel like me
You're the man
Yeah.
still young.
you see me?
And I mean, as you touch on the point about you and your friends, I wanted to ask a specific question. So we know Kaka Highflames to be with a High Flames
Yeah.
team, right?
Yeah.
Big up to Baby Dirt, Dep on the live. Big up yourself. Big up to the rest of the people them in your corner. Was there something that happened that is there a tier between the team members or
No man, never.
no? Is it still a one High Flames team?
That. Yeah man.
Yeah, there's no discrepancies in the camp, and
Never,
everybody
never
good
that.
with every. But
Never
just want to
that.
make
Everybody
sure
good,
because
man.
we were asked that question, so we want to make we want to make sure that we clear the air and make sure that everybody knows. Say the High Flames team is
It's eye flaming.
is high flaming,
Everybody
but we
good,
can
man.
talk off the air anyway.
good,
We're
man.
good.
We're good.
Everybody
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well,
And
it seemed to me that because even me live over England, so we don't really get the understand what really are going to Jamaica to the fullest sometime. So me know your name before me even know about the High Flames crews. Because even up till now,
Yeah.
before we started to look at research and kind of understand your journey,
Yeah.
I don't may I really understand that there's a whole team.
whole
and
team.
all that. So me always think that it's just the team name Kaka Highflames, and that's why I'm confused. But when
man.
I see Nitro post and I see you say you come perform and realize okay, I him name Kaka Highflames.
Yeah.
But me just think say I just you are the whole crew.
You
Me never understand
know,
it,
like
so.
you mess up the people if they don't get a white dog.
No, it's
So-
not mess up. No, if you mess up, I don't truth. Me have to say what me see.
So big man thing. How do you find your first performance at Super Nitro birthday party in London? How do you find the crowd to accept like your work and your music, what you do and all that? How you find the reception?
Love it. Never expect the big feedback there from the crowd. Never expect it because they don't know me I come over here for the first time. And
Yeah.
you know most of my fans them are Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So me I say yo me go over the UK, you know, I wonder if them are gonna know.
the song.
You see me?
we had talk to man.
So you
TikTok
tell
big
the
over
UK
here.
But then when I forward over here, I realize it's a different ball game and
Yeah.
you see me, I love the vibe of the crowd and all of that, you see me?
Do you think like in terms of the exception of the music in terms of here in Jamaica, you think it's same or similar?
Different, like
Well,
Like how they accept your music and how they interpret it.
well, yeah. I say that, yeah.
Yeah. And on that point, big up Super Nitro. His Earth Strong is actually today. Big up yourself, my general. More life, more blessings. Thank you for giving Kaka the opportunity for forward over here to make the people them party with him and meet them. No, put a face to the name if them never know him before.
Yeah, man.
So we saw that you did a couple other shows. Did you do any other show except?
No,
Oh,
I have
no,
a
you
show
go. You have a
tonight.
show tonight. We have
Yeah.
Titty Tuesdays in North London. Big up the Tipsy Thursday team for that. He's very excited to go to Titty Tuesdays.
Man, you about titty
You
and rice,
understand?
yeah.
He's
Yeah.
very excited.
Yeah, I hate this.
He's a big
Man,
man
the man said, at a tender age.
at
Yeah.
a tender age of 18. He's no longer tender age. He's a big man.
A big man,
So
yeah.
what can people expect when them forward to Titty Tuesdays? Remember, so you still have to perform, you know that.
Yeah, man. Vibe and dancing, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You got teach a few routines to people them who have two
Yeah,
left
man.
foot like
Always.
Rick.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me have one dance I carry me for years and it carry me good so far.
And this is basically it.
That's it.
The running man.
So
Running-
Kaka Highflames. Like, I have to ask this. Like, I realize a lot of artists that come to UK, they are a bit bougie.
Yeah.
Are you that type of artist, or you're very much interactive with your fans when you go out and you perform and you don't perform? You meet and greet, take picture and
always
that.
interact with my fan them
Yeah.
everywhere. Is it? Because I them put me on the level of pan.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, so I'm always gonna interact with them. Yes.
Oh, me I got tell you something as a older brother because the God
Arsenal
people them.
people.
Yo, my new friend them. I wanna feel Janko.
Man, I must have a good interview, man. You can ask that side. Watch out.
They can go and
Wait, are you gonna what
Yeah,
team do
probably.
you support?
Man City.
All right, so yeah,
You
you
can choose that fan still.
Can't talk, so big up on yourself. And all right.
Go ahead, Rick.
But anyway, as a bigger man for you, and I obviously I use a forward there. We are gonna tell you, me I gonna tell you the right thing. When you forward here, you know, remember in life, you don't know what can reach in the life. So me I advise you,
Play the
to
music.
do as much groundwork as you can. Connect with people, not just look for the show them when you go, cause the show them will come and fade and people forgot everything. Make connection with people here, like music people. So you don't know what 5 years down the line you can do. You can try to do some collaboration. Find some artists in the street. Even reach out to some people. Because you have to make the time where they are a foreign count.
Like people like Richie.
Remember you get the money and the money you go finish.
Yeah.
You go get whatever paycheck you get it, you go done. You know. But it's the connection when you make over here can pay you for the rest of the life. So
As
that's my
well
advice.
as well as just to add to what Rick has said, you have a very good manager. Shake big up yourself. I don't know if you didn't want people to know say I use still, but big up yourself. The music business, and this is something that we always say to artists: learn the music business. He's a big man. Him dep on the earth for a really long time. Me not think, unlike you at the tender age of 18. He doesn't mind. Learn the music business. That is very, very important. The dancing will always be here. The artistry will always be here. But the music business, very important. If you look back at previous and older artists, them, and you will hear them say they missed out on a lot of things because they didn't learn the business.
Basically saying don't be all this.
Am I speaking gibberish? I'm just asking. Was that clear?
I don't give this,
Thanks for
like-
my interpretation.
No,
though.
we give it two side though. You give
yeah.
the tone, and I give the streets.
So what we want to ask.
Win
So
for the-
we do sling. No, where dance name? What the
Yes.
yeah? What's the dance?
Slingshot,
Slingshot.
yeah.
And that's the name of the song.
Yeah.
And we do Flames Rock.
Yeah.
Any other music forwarding out from the Kaka Highflames
Yeah, man.
team?
We have a Macarena remix.
Which drop? We pre that today.
What
And
in the
it-
job yet?
I mean, we pre on your Instagram page, and
yeah.
it have a vibe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remix.
For the kids them.
So
No, Rick.
so
wait, hold on.
anybody with two left foot, like Rick,
Nah,
it's easy.
a
And
Macarena.
Kaka is here, he
Easy,
can
man.
teach you tonight.
So
Yeah.
Shaka say if he catch it, Rick can catch it. Go ahead,
so
All-Star.
Highflames, like you're a permanent dancer now. You know you're famous. You're young. You're popping. The girl them say hot,
Yeah.
right? What's the reception with the other your co-workers in Jamaica, like the other dancers and stuff? How is the unity look like?
No, cohesion.
How welcome
Yeah.
in them they are to you following the business as a new dancer?
Well,
You want them link on good?
yeah, man. Everybody.
Everybody?
Good, man.
Me don't really like how you answer the question.
That not sound too
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, go around the
Well,
team.
everybody good, man. Everybody
Yeah.
good all times.
Yeah.
Remember, we're not gonna know what everybody else has said or everybody else think.
Because we're
but
not seeing
in our art,
Mm.
between me and my team and
Yeah.
everybody else, we good. But I don't know if them are sure.
Them not good with
see,
you.
but when I see them, I
Yeah.
dance on the party, me go dance with
Yeah.
them too.
So-
So see, I make a whole lot of vibes with them. So I don't know, but on my side, me can say yo, me and everybody good. You see me?
What about the dancing business in terms of like you being one of the permanent face in terms of the music videos? Because we realize that we have some repeat dancers like the Rebels and the Ray them in all of the music videos. Like what's going on? Why Kaka Highflames name not calling in in the on the roster like everybody else?
Well, who said that? well, as I say, we over here so do our thing, so.
So it should not be a collective, because what Dragon, I can agree with the Dragon say.
Yeah, because enough of dance and you make the people know the song them.
Yeah, but it don't really matter to you know work show, you know, so. Everybody, people, in a due time, people are going to say, you know, say, Kaka them really do this, but them not really get certain credits. But we not going to come out, come talk about it, because as I say, me I sing my music, and me have my team for dance with me, so.
So you feel.
So Kaka Highflames, where do you hail from in Jamaica? Let me just ask.
Who do me hear from?
Where do you hear from? Where you
come
from?
See
Oh!
it? So I'm translate. Where you come from?
Oh, I come from Waterhouse originally, isn't
From
it?
Waterhouse, right?
Waterhouse.
So you're smack bang in the middle of everything, right?
Yeah.
So, all I say a lot of these what you call it, established dancers in dance endorsing you more, because as far as I could see, you are one of the youngest one out of the pack in Jamaica at the moment.
Yeah.
So why when I get that like endorsement? Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're hearing the voice of Sheke, the manager. You want forward over some of the people them see you? No, yeah, they can't
see
hear
you.
you.
Can't hear you.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man.
Can't hear. So
Draw closer.
more you answer this one.
This is the manager.
And look into the camera, huh?
Look into
Oh
the
boy.
forward. You have to forward power level.
Boy, oh.
Now why they too early?
One thing about me.
Why never draw your chair?
Alright.
Yeah, draw your chair, man, and draw
Alright.
closer to me.
Boy, oh boy.
This is education for the people.
Because remember this is up on live show, you know, like this yeah.
Well, in a Jamaica
You
still.
have to talk in a fire phone, my general.
In a Jamaica still, not even Jamaica, Caribbean, you see me?
Yeah.
For me, acting a dancehall, just know say everybody are gonna shoot off, everybody are gonna try to join them because everybody want that spot there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like you go for the camera. Fun man, I rush in and start.
I want question the man answer and drive to the interview.
Yes.
Everybody are gonna shoot off, everybody are gonna try to join them. For example, in King on top, everybody are try to shoot off and everybody are, you see me? So Kaka the artist, dancer, / singer, DJ,
Entertainer.
artist of Jamaica right now. So you know, say all dancer.
Mm.
I will shoot off.
Well, we don't know.
Yeah.
So even if them not show them word verbally,
Body
more time
language.
you see some
Them a dance it very physically.
Yeah.
I just dancer, and dancer is a very competitive background.
Facts.
So you see, if you sleep by your spot, the next man I just kick you.
So isn't that good for the business? That means that like nobody's comfortable in a spot.
Yeah, good, but
Yeah,
depends about how you make it good.
It's good till you get toxic.
Yeah.
And how can it get toxic if you know that dancing is your work? If you sleep on what you're doing, there's always 2 or 3 more person ready for that
Yeah,
spot.
well, I love that still, you know. I love the competitiveness side.
Yeah.
You see me? But when it comes on to gatekeep and shadow somebody else's career, I don't like that part there. You see, if me sleep on my career and tomorrow you slap on my foot, but a promoter still want about me, although me asleep, you don't try to fight that.
All right, Kaka Highflames, let me ask you this. Do you believe in the gatekeepingness of dancehall in terms of people
Definitely.
who are telling people like, oh,
Don't
no,
put that man there.
Definitely.
like, call rebel them man, nobody call Kaka. Call a person over there, so nobody call him.
That go on in a dance. That go on as a dancer still. I know it go on, but you don't know as I say.
But me I tell you
So
something,
in terms of we call them the videographers, the person who do the video.
Yes.
Do you think they are gatekeeping the whole realm of dancing? Because I know like a lot of people who get the choreograph in the video, they are responsible for that realm of it. Do you think like some of them who have them big videographer company there, you think them are gatekeeping anything out?
Well, no, I don't know about that part.
Yo.
I don't think.
Yo, me I say something.
So,
Yeah.
who,
Jagan.
Kaka actually run the industry.
yeah.
Yeah, like every artist go pay, big, small, everyone.
No, because like just
And
giving
that's the
as
trend right now.
an example, like
See.
like RD Studios and them man, they are big videographers, and we know like in terms of like a business how it work, a business might have certain dancers on them payroll and certain person in them link, so them always work with them person every video come them way.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna say something there. If you're a dancer, if you're a taller time over here, you want me to say at the most impact for the fact that you forward our show, we see the video and everything. Dancers before we forward over here, they must forward for your holiday. Me can't tell that. Richie can't tell you that. Them forward, them have a name on yard, but them forward and in a chance in the people over here. So you forward and dating.
Integrate with everybody.
And actually, people were, can be people on the snap video, me don't see there to me see. So, like, no people there, even them there. See them gone. So, you look at this at a tender age. Yeah, dating, small wins are greater than big wins because, as Rick said, consistent, isn't it? So, you're forward, you're dating, you have shows, events, whatever you want to call it, for the fact that you got booked for them and people want to come out to see us.
Just to see
Enough other dancers, me not calling them in a mix up like that, but
and then
them like fire.
Not everybody.
But over here is like, bro, it never. Bro.
No, hey, no call her name when
yeah.
No,
I can't.
No,
I
when
can't. No.
Call her name when Missy
We're gonna focus it back on Kaka.
I can, but my call name, I just say, that divert from me.
Right. So we're gonna jump. We're going to.
Hold on. Before we jump in at in terms of the UK dancing scene, give me your honest opinion where you think about the dancers here. When your father Super Nitro party,
did you see the dancers?
There was a few dancers on the stage with you. What do you think about the dancing scene over here?
Well, the dancers them look like them are Jamaicans too. So the dancers never did it.
Huh?
The dancers never did it.
Rich.
Dancers never
Miss Rosawa.
Miss Rose was right next to Kaka. If you look at the pictures, and she was going on with herself, as well as 876.
876 them there.
Them a dancer, them and I look like a Jamaican.
So to answer the question, based on what you saw at Super Nitro's party, what was the energy that you got from the dancers?
I love it, man.
Yeah,
them good.
So you can stay an extra day for go at Richmond party Sunday.
Oh, that you are different.
No. Big one thing here. You can stay. The money right, you know.
Yeah.
What bookings, man? Home.
Alright, forward back next week. We have a party.
Him can send up on early plane.
So I wanted to touch a little bit on your Sting 23.
This Sunday.
At least Sunday and at least Sunday.
We wanted to touch a little.
Excuse.
We wanted to touch a little bit on your Sting 2023 performance. Studio audience, hold it down for me, please. Sting 2023 performance. Who forward you up on the stage?
Sting Reggae Sumfest.
Reggae Sumfest, sorry. Yeah. My apologies. Who forward?
Rosedan every time, you know.
Yeah, and I mean, how was that experience for you? Because
well, that's the biggest crowd me ever book up on. The biggest.
Because most of it was behind TikTok and on your phone. So what was it was the biggest crowd that you experienced.
Yeah.
How was it feeling performing on stage with your team and with Rosedan?
I come like I'd even me alone a dance.
Yeah.
When I look outside, not outside,
in the crowd. Yeah.
I want to see everybody. I say, yeah, man. And then, remember, say, a bands we I work with.
Yes.
Plus, it wasn't my rhythm.
Yes.
So then, when I really listen about the performance, I say, yo, I really...
You're angle it.
Really angle it.
Yeah, you're angle it.
Yes,
and as a result, we can I mention it? You are booked for this year's show.
Mm-hmm.
And, I mean, obviously, you're not going to be called up. This is your slot. So, me no
Progress.
say it early, you know. But what can we expect? Because it's a band show.
Madness, bad.
Madness. All right.
Well,
so make sure we're gonna watch it, you know.
As you say, as a tender age, you go on.
Yeah, go on.
One last question before, Richie. Who was your inspiration? Dancing and music. Who did I watch and say, all right, brother?
Did I watch? You know, watch all dancers. I never really have a favorite, but big up Elephant Man, same way. You see me? Big up all Chris Brown. Big up Chris Brown to same way. Them man, them really watch, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. And as I say, remember what day I decide to make a touch your mic.
Yeah,
so
no, why in general? You're not touching the mic.
Why?
Talk a phone. You're touching talk a phone.
Great, dog.
Why?
Just a little part then. Remember saying you care about. Yeah, but go ahead. So it was recently you decided to take up the artist part of the entertainment.
So I really did watch just dancers, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like, you just similar to what Ding Dang did. Because remember Ding Dang used to dance first.
Yeah.
And start DJ. I feel like say, alright, cool, you pull off a ding dang stung from them.
Well, as I say, it never did plan. I just did a dance because I love it. And I just did a dance for the fun too. And I never expect say, I go so far because as I say, school work, I take in and I say, yo, I want to be doctor, I want to be lawyer, see me? So I do the school work, never expect.
Go ahead,
As I go upon that topic, give us some name of some helping and people who help you along that process of becoming an artist.
Well, my grandmother, Big up my grandmother.
Grandmother help you write the song?
No,
God,
write
no.
song. No,
But-
man.
but
Write
she
my
get
song, write my
inspiration.
song, yeah. Big up my
Yeah.
grandmother, see me. Big up
What's your
Shakespeare, see me.
grandma's name?
Diane.
Big up grandma.
Yeah, Auntie Diane, you know.
Yeah.
Auntie Diane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up Sheke, see me, you know. Big up my team, because them really help.
Push
Yeah,
you
because
and
like
support.
obviously somebody have to see that in you if it's a yo.
And then when you have
You do
nine
this, you can
somebody,
really do it.
nine somebody, I say, yo, bro, this bad. You don't really care when nobody else wants to say, isn't it? Isn't it? So,
Yeah. Cool, no man.
Alright,
Same.
Go ahead, Brett.
Yeah, so in time Jay Fred that big up I say obviously you bust enough for the dance and them song and them if you pay you more money and that. What you take on that?
well, you know me, as I say, me still I do me. I don't really, I got take what everybody say, but if me did feel like say me for charge more, I don't know where management we discuss that time or charge more, isn't me? We now go.
But
No, don't go around
to
the
be
thing,
fair,
Majora.
to be fair, we believe him because there's enough song where you don't dance to. If real and truly I never own a real and truly. They wouldn't the song it a go on, but it wouldn't go on.
It a go on birds, but alright.
You just say it a go on, but it wouldn't go on.
Hold on, you have to understand because probably if he wasn't doing what he's doing,
True.
people who know say him have humility and say yo. It's an article you because you know people that say yo, feel like him too big, I would have boy.
No.
I want to 1,000 pound you.
No,
That's why I say everything good
But
down.
them have for med still because you know say sometime the dancer them don't really get
The highlight.
the real highlight. You see me? So when a dancer can take a song and show it at one part, you have to just know say yo.
You have to give thanks to it.
You see me?
But Jagan, the difference is this.
And an idea, me understand the struggle and the charge and whatever because remember, everybody have to start from zero.
For real.
Remember, say like when people are watch TC and the Rebel them, remember a lot of other dancers who is in the game for a long time. Remember they've been out there for years doing them thing, building up a CV. So in terms of what Kaka Highflames do, it's kind of unheard of in dancehall in a sense because like him just fall upon the scene.
That's a pay fee.
Him just fall upon the scene fast about some little dance, then him get a big song, then people are say wow.
Yeah,
But Jagan,
sometimes when I really hard work, sometimes you have to smart.
But
You see
Jagan,
it?
watch it.
True.
You said the man fouled like no, and a few songs where him dance to, I'm team dance so it make the artist get shows. So when the next person forward, you have to pay for it because you see the result. And like I say, as for the post a video for you, I get the same numbers that normally I get. It's good for say be humble, but humble don't work. But when you know say you gotta put in a work, and the artist reach a certain place with them song, and you know I get free money, and then PR change. That was yesterday price. When you reach the next stage, no, you can't keep on the same money, bro. Come on, bro.
True.
I'm not saying it's a million, but I'm just saying, charge where you think you're worth at that time. First, when you start out, it is what it is. But after that, you should say if you have 7 songs, you make boss. The 8th song, you have a triple up where you miss out 1 month.
And then you know say sometime too when you bust the artist them song, them now look back right and say.
That is it. So when you get a chance to bust off them bank account, you do it.
Is it?
That's the music business.
Let me ask a question, Kaka Highflames. Like, what do you think? You rather one-off payment or you rather like loads of people know about you over the world? What you valid? What's better for your career?
Well, as I say, yo,
No, I want to
As
pay
me
me
say,
because if them get
really and truly, me I do it for the love, you know.
yeah, I feel love
I do it for
because
the love.
right now you have to think smart.
Yeah.
Smart give you say 500,000
Yeah.
to spend off by now and summer, right? But if somebody give you 3 million view, you know say with that 3 million view, you can
Yeah.
translate their 3 million view there in a $6 million because
Well, I definitely believe you.
well on average, well on a TikTok make him there where him there on social media.
Real.
Seeing? So we see the powers of
What, 3 million
views.
on film page?
Bad man, relax now.
Upon film page there?
It don't.
It
well,
does matter.
Brez, hold on now. Let me explain something to you.
If upon film page it makes sense, when I film it don't make no sense.
Let me explain
I'm
something
telling
to you
you.
now. Let me explain something to you. All right. Seeing? You remember Bob Marley boy Pitney. This moment, you know that song that we tear up on TikTok. Remember when we just here we say with the bomb buckle like this, we in a preach. Seeing? Until now we say we are eat, then we say blood clot. And then everybody realize say other youth are singing. And when you look upon you say, what value more? Hold on, because he's a Marley. Hold on, Brett. He's a Marley. So him could have put that out and the Junior gang them and the rest of Marley them and just get millions of views automatically because I'm in bloodline, right?
But then earn it himself.
Him earn it himself, and now you see that can't rub out.
True.
Bro,
You see what Kaka Highflames do?
Bro, I asked
He
can't
can't rub
rub
out.
out.
I asked you know what
He can't rub out,
yeah,
dog.
sorry, I asked a question. If the views is on his page, it makes sense.
Yeah, but we're talking about his
That's
page.
what I asked you.
Why?
But
what
Brett,
other
but
page would we be
TikTok,
talking about?
you are talking about the monetary value of TikTok and social media. Like, that's shit.
How?
It's about, hold on, Brett.
How?
That's shit compared to what you can gain with the exposure and the booking you can get. Because when you have talent, you see if you're a shit person, you don't have no talent, then you can say, oh,
Brother.
I want the money.
Yeah,
But he generally talented.
It's not about shit, bro.
True,
Like,
true,
if
true,
you,
true.
let me show you an example. If you do a video for somebody, him do a video for somebody, he got 3 million. And next person gonna ask him for the same thing. So we are talking about it. If the views are going on his page and him getting paid, that's twice as much, bro. In page have grow in the algorithm. When
Yeah,
you're
that's
picking
true.
3 million, he doesn't get nothing that him do it. If
You have-
him,
you have to walk before you can run.
Breads
it's not
and
about
Dragon,
what.
we're gonna take
If-
it back to Kaka in a
If
second.
him now, yeah, do it on get it on Fame page, get the streaming
Yeah.
and the payment, and next artist that gonna see Fame page active, him a go and go over Fame page to draw a Fame crowd
Right.
and pay him feet. So he a keep on carrying next booking and next booking. When me put on my page, yeah, as him say, them man forget about him. What you talking about, bro?
Alright.
That's YouTube and internet, bro. Your page bring the traffic. You don't put on next man page. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Big up yourself for that. Macarena is forwarding out soon.
Yeah, Macarena.
Talk to us about that. What is Macarena all about?
Well, fun. Pure fun.
What about Macarena is fun?
Well,
Eh?
when it drop, man.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah,
Hold on,
we'll get a
man.
preview right now. So, yeah, now people, remember anything when you hear over here, don't scream record it because I saw you bust first.